Oh, remember what happened in America with the 4th of July
That
fireworks?
was sad.
What happened?
No. Everything went up at the same time.
What?
And that killed a couple people.
All the timings were messed up. So everything went up at the same time.
Where was this?
I don't remember.
It was on the east or west coast, I think.
That was a cool firework. That one was too. The red inside the glitter.
It was tragic. They had a lot of mishaps this year.
Well, half the country didn't even have fireworks because of the drought.
Yeah, but they had like 6 or 12 people drown at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, someone got arrested. See, there's an 80s discotheque. Which I want to go see.
What?
Yes, it's something from Ken's time.
Should I tell him that?
Go right ahead. I can hold out longer than he can.
Next show, we're definitely bringing the good cameras.
Yeah.
I like these fireworks.
What's nice is we're against the wind. It's blowing away from us, not obscuring it.
The music I'm hearing sounds like Monkey Island.
The only thing we're missing is the front of the bars where they have like the waterfall effect and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, those lights are... Do you remember was it the WestJet plane that came in low over Vancouver the one year?
Nope.
Oh. They announced it all week that they were doing this, and they came in so bloody low, it looked like it was a terrorist attack, and it was right after 9/11.
Really?
911 was inundated with calls. Because all you saw was a 737 coming in such a low and such a steep angle, and they just flew around. Great publicity, though. think I know of a perfect location for this. White Rock.
Where?
White Rock.
Beach is big enough.
Hmm?
Beach is big enough.
Beach there's you.
Yes, you would.
Why not?
Oh, yes. No, I meant for this event.
Oh, they actually posted?
Yes.
I wouldn't want to be in traffic though.
No.
No.
I wasn't thinking about that. I was thinking about the other side of the border.
Ah.
They'd be figuring it was a terrorist attack. Canadians are invading. Canadians are invading. Like the one at Tom's?
It was their stop.
Boom. Oh, you were never around for those.
Set up car below windows.
No, we never blew up windows. We just lit up 911 and had the border guards calling in.